The P0305 code means your vehicle's computer has detected a misfire in cylinder 5. This refers to cylinder number 5 in your engine's firing order. A misfire happens when the air-fuel mixture in that cylinder doesn't ignite properly. This can cause rough idling, reduced power, poor fuel economy, and the check engine light to come on. Common causes include issues with ignition components, fuel system, or mechanical parts. For example, a fouled spark plug can prevent proper ignition. Addressing this promptly is crucial to prevent potential engine damage. One of the most frequent causes of a P0305 code is a problem with the ignition system. This includes a faulty spark plug in cylinder 5, a failing ignition coil responsible for delivering the spark, or damaged spark plug wires. Inspect these components for wear, cracks, or corrosion. Remember that experts say 70 to 80% of P0305 codes stem from ignition components. Fuel system problems are another common cause of P0305 misfires. A clogged or malfunctioning fuel injector in cylinder 5 prevents the proper amount of fuel from reaching the combustion chamber. Low fuel pressure can also lead to insufficient fuel delivery, causing the cylinder to misfire. To fix these issues, have fuel injectors professionally cleaned or replaced. Ultrasonic cleaning uses sound waves to remove buildup without damaging components, often saving money compared to full replacement. Less frequently, mechanical issues can trigger a P0305 code. Worn valves, damaged piston rings, or vacuum leaks can affect cylinder compression and combustion. Faulty crankshaft or camshaft position sensors can also disrupt the timing of the engine. A cylinder balance test or compression check can help isolate these types of problems. Start by using an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P0305 code and check for related codes like P0300 for random misfires. Next, visually inspect ignition components, fuel injectors, and wiring for damage. Perform a cylinder balance test or compression check to identify mechanical issues. Use a multimeter or oscilloscope for electrical testing of ignition coils and injector circuits. Modern scanners help prevent engine failures through early diagnosis. Repair options for P0305 misfires include replacing spark plugs every 30,000 to 100,000 miles, or ignition coils, which can cost $200 to $400 for a Ford F-150 replacement. For example, this Ford F-150 engine bay highlights the ignition coils that may need replacement. Repair costs can vary significantly, from $100 for simple fixes to over $1,000 for complex mechanical issues, depending on the root cause and vehicle type. For fuel injector cleaning, techniques like this before and after comparison show how ultrasonic cleaning can restore proper function. To prevent future misfires, perform regular maintenance and use quality fuels to keep your engine running smoothly. The automotive industry is trending towards telematics and AI-driven diagnostics, allowing for remote misfire analysis. The increasing adoption of EVs and hybrids will naturally reduce P0305 issues. Predictive maintenance systems, like those in Tesla vehicles, can potentially foresee misfires before codes even appear. Staying proactive with vehicle maintenance and addressing codes promptly remains the best way to prevent costly repairs. Keep an eye on supply chain issues, which can delay repairs in some areas.